In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your brake pedal pad. This will apply to the 2008 to 2010 Ford F-250. Let's get started. All you need to do is grab it. I like to start from underneath just because it'll be easier, and then slide it right off. There you have it. Now I don't actually have a new one to replace it with, so I'm just going to put this one right back on. So I like to start at the top and just work it in around. Pick one direction and then go in that direction. Don't try to do all sides at once. It's never going to happen because you have to kind of stretch it over. Okay. So this side's on. I tried to start over here, but it didn't really want to go. Oh, now that side's on, so the only side is left is the bottom. And you have to grab that lip, peel it out, and then flip it over. Grab it and squeeze it to make sure that it's actually seated properly. The last thing you want is you step on the brake, this thing comes off, and then your foot slides off the brake pedal. That would not be good. And there you have it.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.